If you're looking for the best inversion tables, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have InnovIT X9600. The InnovIT X9600 is easy to assemble, affordable, and sturdy. The sturdy design is obvious when you get on it to start the inversion process. You'll feel safe and secure using this inversion table. It's also relatively lightweight, making it easier to move from room to room if needed. The InnovIT X9600 is a heavy-duty deluxe inversion therapy table with several safety, comfort, and beneficial features. This model is less expensive than many higher-end brands, but it can easily compete with them. Most users have reported that inversion therapy on the InnovIT X9600 is effective at reducing and eliminating chronic back and neck pain, joint pain, and general aches and pains. It only takes a couple of minutes a day to experience pain relief. This one easily folds up for storage as well. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Teeter EP560 Limited. Teeter is a leading brand of inversion tables. The Teeter EP560 Limited model has bonus acupressure nodes, an exercise DVD, and a back pain relief stretch attachment. It has a heavy-duty steel base, heat-treated steel parts for optimal durability and reliability, and stability so it won't move around when you're inverting. Only high-quality materials are used in the construction of the EP560 Limited. It comes with safety features like auto-locking hinges, pivot bearings, and cam locks. Teeter is also the only brand of inversion table that is FDA approved. The Teeter EP560 Limited is easy to use, easy to store, easy to assemble, and offers precision balancing and preset rotation choices. The main difference between this table and the one above, it comes with fewer features and accessories. So, it's still a great option if money is a concern. The number 3 position is held by Ironman Gravity 4000. Ironman Gravity is another leading brand of inversion tables that is built to last and offers many benefits for inversion therapy. If you have ever tried the earlier models like the Gravity 1000 or 2000, you will find this version has greatly improved the performance, safety, and comfort of the Gravity model. Whether you suffer from chronic or occasional back pain, or you just need a way to decompress after a long and stressful day, this inversion table is designed to accommodate you. If you have experienced problems in the past with inversion therapy, like having a difficult time getting up and down, this doesn't happen with the Gravity 4000. This improved model makes it easy to decompress your spine, which helps reduce joint pain, reduce insomnia, reduce stress, and strengthens your back and posture. The Ironman Gravity 4000 easily folds up for easy storage. Next at number 4, we have Exerputic 475L. Your inversion experience is made easy with the Exerputic 4755L. It comes with AirSoft no-pinch ankle holders and a short lock safety system that lowers the risk of accidents. The square steel frame is built to last, with a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. You can adjust this model 4 different ways, using the easy-to-navigate control pin to do so. The ankle locking system is easy to reach as well. The Exerputic 4755L also features a soft foam back and headrest for an added layer of comfortability. The Exerputic 4755L is ideal if you're looking for a table that puts safety first. With their 2-tooth ratchet locking mechanism, you can rest easy knowing that the risk of an accident is extremely low. The number 5 position is held by Teeter EP960. Teeter is reputable in the health industry for manufacturing high-performing products. One of the best things about this inversion table is that it's FDA registered. It is designed to provide traction to your spine while stretching the paraspinal muscles at the same time. Extended ankle lock for easy access and better support. The traction handles are extra long, giving you additional options when it comes to assistance and stretching. The wraparound ankle cups are patented to be ergonomic. They come with conduit bed flexes for additional support. All it takes is a couple of simple arm movements for you to shift your body weight so that you can invert yourself effortlessly before returning to the upright position. The steel parts of this machine are heavy gauge with security features that include cam locks, an auto-locking hinge, and pivot bearings that provide durability. The easy 5-step assembly process means that you can quickly make up this machine without further assistance. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. The Teeter EP960 inversion table features acupressure knobs that give you a trigger point release. The lumbar bridge places particular emphasis on the traction in your lower back. The Teeter EP960 is easy to store, easy to use, easy to assemble, and just a great all-rounder when it comes to functionality and safety. With a 5-year warranty, you are guaranteed a quality performance that will deliver the best results every time, no matter what state your back is in. Overall, I'd pick the Teeter EP960 Limited as the best inversion table money can buy. While it may be more expensive than some of the other inversion tables on our list, we believe that it's worth it for what you get. Long-term, chronic back problems require a quality table that will last a long time. The number 6 position is dominated by Invertio Inversion Table Back Stretching Machine. The Invertio Table Back Stretching Machine is designed with stability and strength in mind. This full-braced inversion table is manufactured so that there's no risk of rocking. It has a generous weight capacity of over 300 pounds and also features a stylish, sleek design. The non-marring, non-skid makeup of the metal frames that connect with the ground prevent skid marks. This also helps to prevent it from sliding, offering an added level of stability. Invertio is a well-known brand in the health and fitness industry. They continue to produce high-quality products, including the Invertio Inversion Back Stretching Table. Enjoy the aesthetics of this sleek design while preventing your floors from any marking. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Healthgear ITEM 5500. Another leader in the health and fitness industry, the Healthgear ITEM 5500 comes with everything you need in an inversion table. All Healthgear's units are tested and approved through a stringent 50-point performance and safety system that ensures each table meets high standards. With isolated heat therapy and vibrating massage, you can experience 3 different types of treatment rolled into one easy-to-use and assemble machine. If you're looking for a way to make sure your back is taken care of every time you use your inverter, you'll want to try the Healthgear ITEM 5500. A lot of chiropractic incorporates both heat therapy and massage therapy. Consider it to be your very own personal chiropractor that you can make the most of whenever you need it. The number 8 position is held by Ironman Gravity 1000. Without a doubt, this is the most competitive price range for inversion tables. It doesn't quite cover Teeter hang-ups, $300 plus, but you still have access to some of the best inversion tables from Ironman, BodyMax, Innova Fitness, and Exerputic. If our decision was purely based on review count and average rating, we would choose one of the BodyMax tables. Each design has well over 700 reviews on Amazon alone. However, the weight capacity is quite restrictive, at 250 pounds. For just $20 more, there's an inversion table with a 300 lb capacity, wider back support, and molded ankle holders. That table is the Ironman Gravity 1000, which also includes full-length safety handles. Warranty duration on frame and parts is the same as the BodyMax designs. Product weight is also similar at 46 pounds, so it's no more difficult to move around. The only exception would be if you were closer to 4'7" in height, as the BodyChamp IT1070 offers a wider range of height settings than the Gravity 1000. Next at number 9, we have Ironman Gravity 3000. This is another competitive price range and includes the first inversion tables to offer infrared therapy. Infrared can be found on the IFT 1000 from Ironman and ITEM 4800 from Innova Fitness. Sunny Health and Fitness also has an inversion table in this category called the SF807. But for us, there's a clear winner. Ironman have built on the success of their Gravity 1000 model by adding 3 more designs to the Gravity collection, the 2000, 3000, and 4000. The Ironman Gravity 3000 is our top choice of inversion therapy table for this category. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Teeter Fit Spine LX9. When using an inversion table, it's important that it is made of premium materials. You want a model that is sturdy and supportive, and Teeter's Fit Spine LX9 certainly fits the bill. It's made with aerospace-rated stainless steel. It can support up to 300 pounds, and users ranging in height from 4'8" to 6'6". The Fit Spine delivers great comfort. It sports an arch design that makes it a breeze to get on and off. Teeter really went out of their way to ensure you are securely in position during use. Your ankles stay locked in with soft, comfortable enclosures. This provides extra stability while the table is in use. The addition of the FlexTech bed makes a big difference here as well. There are little blue nubs sticking up all over the surface. These are designed for acupressure on your back. You have the freedom to slide these nubs just about anywhere you like. The bed is amazing at decompressing a tight, achy back. There's also a boarding platform. This makes it safe and easy to mount and dismount. Little things like this go a long way in making the Fit spine user-friendly. That's all for today. We upload fitness product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.